Stripey ready to go back out. This time change is rough. Stripe likes to go out at daylight, and daylight is closer to 7:30 when Dawn and I are getting up, and I lost 15 minutes of sleep this morning. Works out better when he wants to go out at 6:30. Hi, Morris. Good morning. Good morning. No matter where I put you, you're not quite in frame. Good morning, buddy. Thank you for being here, not worrying your mama. Hey, Stripe. Sure, Marty will be back over at the door in a minute. He's currently grooming on his favorite sleeping spot in the house. Good morning, everyone. And Stripey ready to go back out. This time change is rough. Stripe likes to go out at daylight, and daylight is closer to 7:30 when Dawn and I are getting up, and I lost 15 minutes of sleep this morning. Works out better when he wants to go out at 6:30. Hi, Morris. Good morning. Good morning. No matter where I put you, you're not quite in frame. Good morning, buddy. Thank you for being here, not worrying your mama. Hey, Stripe. Sure, Marty will be back over at the door in a minute. He's currently grooming on his favorite sleeping spot in the house. So the high today is supposed to be 79. Wow. All of the pretty flowers are going to keep on opening up. I have a busy day. I have a 10 a.m. dentist appointment, a noon photograph for the board of directors over at Guardian Angel. We're presenting a check for funding Alzheimer's research, a grant. And then at 2:30 I have a Zoom call for board work. Has to do with the endowment. So I don't know anything about endowments, but I'm fixing to learn. So busy day. Boom, boom, boom. Well, mostly what I hear this morning is construction noise. A few birds. I would love to hear the hawks. I certainly don't hear them out here this morning. But there's our pretty blue skies and our construction work over that way. God, can they please just be done? Good morning, Gray. I see you had just a little issue going on with your blankets, but Mom will sort it out for you. Yeah, Mom will sort it out for you. Hi. Good morning, sweet pea. I had to pull my own car out this morning because Don's given that education. It's okay. It's nice to let him know I really appreciate him. So first stop is the dentist. I doubt I'm coming home in between the dentist and the picture at Guardian Angel. I'll probably just go in and shop for a few minutes. Everything went fine at the dentist, and I came home because I forgot something. And I'm just stopping here to enjoy the forsythia for a minute. So pretty. Some of the first flowers of spring. Well, Ruby says it's 69 out here. The high was predicted to be 79, so we're definitely on our way. I've got about 45 minutes until the photo op, so like I said, I'm just going to shop for a bit. I kicked off the shoes I put on. Put on a pair of, you know, those TV weather people, they have on the funky shoes. I just can't walk in heels. I just literally cannot. Not even wide, not very high heels. So I'll carry them in with me and put them on in case my feet are going to show in the picture. And otherwise, I won't even bother to switch them. It's good not to be young and care about being seen in dorky shoes. It really is such a relief to not have to deal with that worry. I have to say that I did enjoy the pictures of the Tesla vehicle lineup that were taken in front of the White House yesterday. and was pleased to see President Trump stand up for Tesla and Elon and recognize their contributions. And I'll just leave it there. It was a good moment at our house. I realize it may not have been a good moment at some other people's houses, but at our house it was a good moment. Model S plaid in the new red. Woohoo. That's awesome. And yes, I was impressed, because I have trouble getting in and out of the Model S or the Model 3, that he got in and out of it with no issue. I did hear, as we're well aware, the president can't actually drive himself around anywhere, right? He said that he was going to keep it at the White House and let his staff use it. And I thought, wow, that sounds like a great thing to do with that car. So, yay. I have no idea why they're parked here. I don't see the guys in the vehicle. Obviously, they're not close to the store. So hopefully there wasn't a fire drill. And my spot's free. Well, my spot on this side, my preferred spot. Look at those fenders and big fat tires. It's Electra bicycle company. It's not electric though. Pretty nice. There's maybe 2 of them. Yeah, I've got 100 on it. I guess because it looks snazzy and different. Most of the bikes are less. They were here doing inspections, and then they got a call. So they ran to the truck, hopped in, and boogied out of here. I bought so much stuff in 20 minutes that I had to take it to the car. Lots of mini flags, hand towel, couple big flags, napkins, a little leprechaun guy. It was mostly all Easter stuff, but anyway, I was very pleased, very pleased. They put out more linens and I grabbed them. Well, we gave Guardian Angel Thrift $200,000 to Dementia Alliance of North Carolina, or DANC, and Miss Laura, the founder of Guardian Angel Thrift, was there along with a good number from the board and a bunch of the store staff and 2 members of DANC. So that puts the total donation since Guardian Angel Thrift opened up to $3,200,000. So pretty significant. Like everybody else, they weren't able to do a lot during COVID because, well, they were forced to be closed for a while. They had to reduce hours. They had all these people were afraid to come into shop. Just like every other business, they were affected. But back on track good now, and that was pretty exciting. Ruby says it's 77 now. It definitely feels warm. I turned down the AC fan so that I could film without wind noise in the microphone. Dawn and I have a 2:30 to 3:30. I don't know about Dawn. We talked about going and exercising at 3:30. I suppose, technically speaking, I have time to go now as well. Whatever works best for Dawn. Well, we're over here at South Park. We've got just enough time to get in our workout before I have to be on my conference call.
We can cut a little short off of it if you'd like.
Drive faster. Oh, it is a Microsoft Teams meeting, not a Zoom, and I don't have myself set up for that, so I get to race home and try to change my password and make that all good. Oh, joy. But I'm glad we got to do it now instead of later.
Yeah, I totally, because after the meeting, I'd probably be really...
Dawn was yawning in the car. Yeah. We only had to cut off about 5 minutes.
Right.
Not too bad. Dawn's got Dr. Barry up there talking about the latest study telling you butter will hurt you, which is a complete fabrication. And I'm sure Dr. Berry would approve of the bacon and the eggs, and maybe not the cheese, but a little cheese is okay. Don tolerates it well. And I almost forgot his salsa, but here's the salsa. There's also a little Vidalia onion in there too, which is why Don and I will never be 100% carnivore, but very close. I started printing out these tiny articulated monies, and they're coming along pretty nice. There's 3 different patterns. Each color was one of the patterns. I thought it was kind of cool. Oh, well, I guess I ended up with 3 of the purple ones. It's okay. I didn't mean to print a 3rd one. It's fine. Tonight's hopefully small Lego project is to put back together Elsa's Ice Palace. And it starts with a couple of little snowmobiles. They're kind of tiny there. And this snow critter that's already put together. But I will make sure they're put together properly. And a couple of these plates are kind of dusty, so I am going to rinse them. Well, Elsa's magical ice palace is complete. I'm trying to think, am I missing anything? Well, I added 1 extra minifigure, the purple princess. And this minifigure down here, she has the wrong top, but it sure looks fine with that skirt. She's the one that actually came with the set. And I think it's all here, stickers and everything. The door opens. Olaf's buttons are wrong, both sides. Those are different, and I'm missing a chocolate bar on the table. So I'm missing, like, I don't know, 3 pieces. We're just going to call her good. I worked really hard on it. It took way longer than I would have hoped.
So I put Marianne's new birdhouse. This is it's really just decorative. It's cute. It's got a pretty neat mounting system though. It's you space it and you slip it on there, so that should work pretty well. Again, it's ABS, but the black, however, is just PLA, so the black's not going to last. But the ABS, the yellow and the green is ABS. But it's very cute. The way these things fit together, it's kind of snapped together parts. You can unsnap it, don't misunderstand, but I don't really think you have to glue it.